Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use your favepay e-card. If you're not already familiar with favepay, it's a mobile wallet app that lets you pay for things with your phone. It's really convenient and easy to use, and it's a great way to save money on your everyday purchases. So, how do you use your favepay e-card? Well, first, you need to add it to your favepay app. To do this, simply go to the Cards tab and tap on the Add Card button. Then, enter your card details and you're all set. Once you've added your card, you can start using it to make payments. Simply open the favepay app and tap on the Pay button. Then, select the merchant you want to pay and enter the amount. You can also use your card to make online purchases by adding it to your browser's payment methods. One of the great things about the favepay e-card is that it offers a number of features that make it even more convenient to use. For example, you can use it to set up recurring payments, which is great for things like your monthly bills. You can also use it to split payments with friends, which is perfect for when you're going out to dinner or splitting a bill. Another great feature of the favepay e-card is that it offers cashback rewards on your purchases. This means that you can earn money back every time you use your card. Additional features. In addition to the features I've already mentioned, the favepay e-card also offers a number of other benefits, such as security. favepay uses a number of security features to protect your personal information and keep your transactions safe. Convenience. You can use your favepay e-card anywhere that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Rewards. You can earn cashback rewards on your purchases. Flexibility. You can use your favepay e-card to make online and in-store purchases. Overall, the favepay e-card is a great way to make your everyday payments easier and more convenient. It's a safe and secure way to pay for things, and it offers a number of features that make it a great value. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use way to pay for things, I highly recommend getting a favepay e-card. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.